Welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today let's prepare Goan Sannas. For this recipe I've taken Goan Red Rice. To this you add enough water and allow it to soak overnight. Next day, wash and drain the rice 2 or 3 times. I've also taken freshly grated coconut and fresh Goan Toddy. Next, in a mixer jar, add soaked rice, grated coconut and toddy and grind it into a semi-thick paste as shown in the video. You can do this in 2 to 3 batches as well. Remove the batter in a separate vessel, add salt and sugar. Mix this thoroughly. Keep the batter in a warm place and allow it to ferment for 3 hours. Once the batter is fermented, take stainless steel katoris and grease it with oil. Pour enough water into the steamer, cover the lid and bring it to a boil. This is a traditional steamer called kopro which is used for steaming. Pour equal amount of batter till half of the katori. Carefully place the katoris into the steamer, cover it and steam it for around 25 to 30 minutes. I've used a traditional wood fire cooking for this recipe. Carefully remove the katoris in a flat plate and allow it to cool. Demold it and serve it with sorpatel or any other Goan curries. If you like this recipe, please do hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future updates.